The body mass index, or BMI, is a statistical measurement which compares a person's weight and height. Though it does not actually measure the percentage of body fat, it is a useful tool to estimate a healthy body weight based on how tall a person is. Due to its ease of measurement and calculation, it is the most widely used diagnostic tool to identify weight problem in a population, including underweight, overweight, and obesity. It was invented in the mid-1800s by Adolphe Quetelet during the course of developing a social physics and is sometimes called the Quetelet Index. Take a minute to find your body mass index on the chart by crossing your weight and height. Be aware that having a high BMI does not mean you are unhealthy. Speak to your doctor to determine if your proportion of fat to muscle is appropriate for your age, height, lifestyle, etc. Being overweight, underweight, or a healthy weight should mean the same thing for all people. Live a healthy lifestyle in a simple, clean way. Drink a lot of water. Eat real whole foods with a focus on vegetables and whole grains. Exercise very regularly. If your goal is to gain, maintain, or lose weight, chances are you need to drink more water. Water makes up 83% of your blood, 75% of your muscles, and 22% of your bones. Are you wondering what to eat? Here's an excerpt from Michael Pollan's New York Times article, Unhappy Foods. His advice is, quote, "Eat food, not too much, mostly plants. A little meat won't kill you, though it's better approached as a side dish than as a main. And you're much better off eating whole, fresh foods than processed food products." That's what I mean by the recommendation to eat food. Once, food was all you could eat, but today there are lots of other edible food-like substances in the supermarket. These novel products of food science often come in packages festooned with health claims, which brings me to a related rule of thumb. If you're concerned about your health, you should probably avoid food products that make health claims. Why? Because a health claim on a food product is a good indication that it's not really food, and food is what you want to eat. End quote. And I'll reiterate what Mr. Pollan said. Eat real food. Your body does not have to work as hard to make energy out of real food. When you eat junk, it makes your body sift through all the additives and preservatives just to get to the food stuff. This includes fast food. While it may be convenient, every time you order from a fast food restaurant, you are telling them you agree with and support how they treat animals and that it's okay for them to ruin the environment with factory farming. Remember, each dollar you spend is a vote you cast. Instead, eat locally. You can save the earth by eating lettuce grown in New York instead of flown on a plane from California. Sign up for a farm share and eat delicious vegetables grown on upstate farms for about $1 per day. One last tip is to eat the right amount of protein. Most Americans eat too much protein. For almost all adults, you only need 3.5 ounces of meat per day. Or think of the size of a deck of cards. If you eat that much meat, then you've already met your protein requirements for the day. And meat isn't the only place to get protein. Exercise. It is easy to keep fit in New York City because we walk all over the place. Improve on that by taking the stairs, going swimming, riding bikes, or join a gym if you want to exercise with friends to make it more fun. Or, if you're at a loss on how to incorporate extra fitness into your life, have more sex. It burns 300 calories an hour.